Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Chhindwara location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there are job openings for regional lab manager and regional lab technician positions. It is from crop data. For these positions, the candidates should have 2 years of experience in this field, or else fresher candidates are also eligible. Like the candidates should have field experience in data collection from farmers, and the candidates should have qualifications like MSc Agriculture with specialization in entomology and plant pathology, and the candidates should be proficient in English and local language is must. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for technical officer position. It is from AU Small Finance Bank. For this position, like the candidates with relevant qualifications like BTech in civil engineering will be preferred, and you are going to get a salary up to 1.9 to 2.1 lakhs per annum plus incentives plus conveyances will be there. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for relationship manager position, working capital SME loans. It is from HDFC Bank Limited. For this position, only local candidates or candidates from nearby areas with at least 1 year of experience in banking domain will be preferred. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There are various job openings are available from KIFS Housing Finance Limited. They are looking for the below job positions like branch heads, sales manager, relationship managers, relationship officers, and finally credit managers. And these job roles for the product of home loan and loan against property. And the salary will be no bar for the deserving candidates. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for any of the job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for branch admin and operations position. It is from Housing Finance Bank. For this position, you must have graduation in BCom and you should have 1 to 2 years of experience in this field. And you are going to get a salary from 15 to 20,000 per month. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for branch manager position. It is for the product of low readiness property and MSME, and it is from Veritas Finance Private Limited. For this position, you must have graduation and you must have minimum 1 year of experience in this field. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for admission officer position. It is from Akash Educational Services. For this position, you must have 3 to 6 years of experience in this field, and you must have skills like consultative sales, strong communication, and business development. And the CTC will be based on your previous CTC. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one, there is a job opening for credit manager position. It is from Tech Pillar. For this position, you must have 2 to 3 years of experience in one firm, and you must have sanction authority, and you must have knowledge of credit underwriting in housing finance. and for this position you are going to get a salary up to 5 lakhs per annum. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Moving to the next one. There is a job opening for sales officer position. It is from INP Seeds Private Limited. And for this position, you must have qualifications like BSc Agriculture and you must have 3 to 4 years of experience in seeds company. Interested candidates who are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one. There is a job opening for Territory Sales Manager or Senior Sales Officer position. It is from Crystal Crop Protection Limited. For this position, you must have qualifications like BSc or MSc in Agriculture from a recognized college affiliated to ICAR, and you must have minimum 5 to 6 years of experience in a reputed seed company as officer, and only seeds sales background candidates should apply. And for this position you must have the age between 32 to 42 years, and the salary will be as per the industry standards. Interested candidates, if you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.